Federal prosecutors unleashed a slew of text messages in the Kilpatrick Corruption Trial, as the defense also fought back against an IRS agent's testimony. 7 Action News investigator Heather Catallo has been covering the trial from day one. Heather, we thought that the prosecution might rest today, but that didn't happen. Why?
Well, just like with so many other things in this trial, you simply cannot predict how long it will take a witness on the stand. Federal prosecutors are still questioning the lead FBI agent in this case. He is their last witness, and it was a day of rapid-fire text messages that were coming at the jury so fast, it was almost hard to keep up.
The FBI agent who spearheaded the massive investigation into the so-called Kilpatrick enterprise read dozens of text messages to the jury today. The text covered everything from Kwame Kilpatrick and Bobby Ferguson discussing housing project deals to chatter about messing with city permits for other business owners. The feds are likely using the text to try to show the defendants were conspiring together as part of their alleged criminal enterprise. In one message from 2003, Kilpatrick's former chief of staff, Christine is questioning the mayor about why their friend Ferguson wasn't getting in on a particular contract. Beatty writes, "Why not Bobby in this?" Kilpatrick says Bobby wanted to strategically lose a major bid. He will be on this one at bid time. In this message from 2004, Ferguson and Kilpatrick appear to be talking about the Book Cadillac Hotel project. Ferguson writes, "Anything with Kwame Kill next to it is newsworthy. I am famous now, just need to get some money." Kilpatrick responds, "LOL, right, let's get you some." Ferguson says, "us," which the feds say means let's get us some money. There are other messages that discuss Ferguson bringing something to Kilpatrick and Ferguson telling the former mayor to toss that paper on his desk. But FBI Special Agent Bob Beckman wasn't asked to provide much context to those messages, which the defense will likely pounce on when it's their turn to cross-examine him.
It's the cross-examination and how the jury perceives it, and that's what it comes down to. So we'll see what happens.
Agent Beckman also played 2 wiretaps for the jury. In one, Kilpatrick seems to be talking in code to his father Bernard about a member of his staff who had been targeted by the FBI. In the other wiretap, Bernard asked Ferguson for $2,000. Bernard, Kilpatrick's defense lawyer, pointed out there was no evidence his client ever received that money. Meanwhile, Ferguson defense lawyer Mike Rattay cross-examined IRS agent Rowena Shook about the cash withdrawals and checks written to cash in 9 of Ferguson's bank accounts. Shook told the jury that in a 6-year period, more than $2.5 million was taken out of the accounts. Rattay got Shook to agree she did not investigate specific checks, and he pointed out that several checks written to cash had business expenses like truck parts and employee bonuses written in the memo line.
Now, court will not be held tomorrow so that both sides can prepare for the defense witnesses. That means testimony will resume on Thursday, but don't expect the defense to take more than a week or 2 with their witnesses. Of course, like everything with this trial, that too is subject to change. Reporting live at the federal courthouse in downtown Detroit, I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News. Jeff, back to you.
All right, Heather, thank you very much.